Guys, so check out what I just grabbed off of Amazon. Now, my daughter has 2 cats, so she's gonna use this for them, but I'm gonna show you everything it includes. This is such a great idea because obviously if you have house cats and they don't get to go outside, then you can bring the outside into them. So let's check out this kit. It does come in this cute little box that you will plant the grass in, and then it's got a wooden lid, and there's everything it comes with. So not only do they give you instructions to follow, they actually provide a QR code that if you just want to open that up on your phone or a device, it gives you instructions right there to set all this up. Not only that, they guarantee that that this will sprout. So if it doesn't, you'll have a way to get a hold of the company. So I think that's awesome. But so inside here, you have your cute little tools that you're gonna need, a rake, and then a couple little shovels. Those are adorable with little natural handles. It comes with 4 packets of cat grass. Comes, of course, with your little soil discs. There's 4 of them. You're gonna simply add water to this, stir it up, and then you're gonna plant it. And then let's see what else they have in the bottom here. Oh, they even have, wow, they even have some scissors. You can see inside it does have a plastic liner, so when you're watering it, it doesn't come through the box. So it's pretty straightforward. You're gonna add your dirt with some water, fluff it. You're gonna add your seeds. Definitely read the instructions though, because you have to plant them a certain depth. Then you're gonna water it and watch it grow, and then you'll be able to cut it off. You'll cut it off for your cats, or you'll just be able to let your cats just kind of chew on it too. I just love this whole idea to be able to do this at home, especially during these really long winter months. It gives you something to do. This will help keep your cats happy as well. So I'll definitely be reporting back in a couple of weeks so you can see how well it has grown. So if you're into something like this, I definitely recommend.